Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. May praise be to Allah, the creator of the worlds, and peace and blessings be upon his Prophet Muhammad, the head of all messengers, upon his family and all his companions. The honorable chief guest of the day, respected principal, teachers, parents, and all my dear students. Today is 26th of January 2020. At this time, we are celebrating 70th Republic Day of India. That's why we are gathered here. Today I am going to speak some words about Republic Day, which is very special day for all Indian citizens. And I want to wish to all of you a very happy Republic Day. Indian people celebrate the Republic Day every year on the 26th of January from 1950. Because in this day, India was declared as the Republic, as well as Constitution of India came into force after independence of long years of struggle. India got independence on 15th of August in 1947, and 2.5 years later it became a democratic and republic country. Republic Day in India has a great importance in the history, as it tells us all about each and every struggle of Indian freedom fighters. Republic means the supreme power of the people living in the country, and only public has rights to elect their representatives as political leaders to lead the country in right directions. So, India became a republic country after 26th of January since 1950. Where public elects leaders as a president, prime minister, chief minister, etc. Our great Indian freedom fighters have struggled a lot for getting independence. Then India became independence. We can never forget their sacrifices and struggles toward our country. They did so that their future generation may live without struggle and fear. We should remember them on such great occasions and salute to them. But unfortunately, today's India is not like that. In today's India, there are many corruptions, violence, and other issues. Today's government is not working in right directions. Before ending my speech, again I would like to thank all for giving me a chance to express my feelings about Republic Day. And I am proud to be an Indian, where we have all types of independence. But ruling government are holding our independence. They are forces many kinds of unconstitutional laws. May Allah grant us spread peace, love, humanity, and make our country peaceful and powerful. Here I wind up my speech with the slogan, Hindustan Zindabad, Inqilab Zindabad.